Welcome to Linheyelash from Vietnam. We are a leading company in the fields of eyelash extensions, high quality clothes and relating accessories. This video is for you about our brand new product, a fantastic floral pre-made box. This is lighter than normal ones, more convenient, more fans, adaptable for volume 3D to Mega 20D. Especially, we have more discounts for only 50 boxes order. Feel free to design your own box, eyelash by you, with your logos, your websites, all of yours. We're free for own visual designs and printing for only 300 boxes order, with free own samples too. Well, it's alright, right? Are you happy now? Worldwide shipment is available within 5 to 7 days with very competitive cost of delivery and eyelashes. Direct us, inbox us, follow us, and share us and get many special offers.